Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I have another tutorial for you today, and we're going to be doing some audio to video generations with WAN 2.2 and HuMo. I still don't know how to pronounce that, so we're just going to use an acronym. So basically what this does is it allows you to upload a reference photo, an audio clip, and then you can generate that photo speaking the audio that you uploaded. Pretty simple concept, but the two of these workflows and models actually have some differences to them. WAN 2.2 is going to retain your image and animate it, and HuMo is going to generate something creatively and animate it based on your prompt. So let's go through these two workflows here, and we can see if maybe these are actually some open source competitors to things like Nano Banana, or I guess Sora too now. People are really interested in having lifelike avatars that speak custom audio. So let's go through the first one here. This workflow that you're looking at right now is just a default one that is inside of ComfyUI. It's their default audio to video workflow. I haven't done anything special here. So we got our boy Bappa. That's Brendan Schaub, ex-UFC fighter. Shout out to the fighter and the kid subreddit. We're going to use his photo and then a little audio clip that I had on my computer. I actually don't even know why this audio clip was on here, but I thought it was hilarious to use Brendan Schaub for an AI generation. So before we start this, I'll show you this one as well. So we're going to do the same thing. You can see here, this is default as well from the ComfyUI store. So you could grab it on my Patreon if you want, but it is available in ComfyUI, so try that out. This one, we're going to leave the default prompt because it might create some interesting results. I don't know. You know me. I'm just going in raw, seeing how it goes. So we've got Brendan Schaub, same audio clip, same photo, and then a creative prompt. So the difference is, as I said before, WAN is going to retain the image, and I do believe HuMo is going to have a creative spin on it, I guess is the way to say it. So let's go back to our WAN workflow. Let's start it, and I'll see you in the future. Okay, looks like the workflow has finished. Let's take a look at the results. So I was actually wrong. It looks like it has modified it a little bit here. So he's got a different pose in this picture compared to the final result. Right? He looks a little different. The pose is different. Let's see how it sounds.
But even again, in my experience, even with I was notoriously known for having a crazy work ethic. It took me about 7 years before I was comfortable walking into any gym as a professional.
Yeah. Oh man, he is tough to listen to, but you know what? That looks pretty good. I actually don't mind that animation. If we took some more time to refine it, use the higher quality photo. I mean, the reference photo is only 400 by 400, so that's a big reason on the quality there, but I find the expressions, the blinking, the mouth movements look pretty good. This is open source, of course. It's WAN, it's free. You can run this on your computer. That took about 2 minutes for me to generate. It's a 15-second clip. Pretty good. I'm going to play with this more. All right, let's make our way over to the other workflow now with HuMo. Same thing. We have a creative prompt in this sense, though. But you know what? Let's just copy the prompt that we have here, just for consistency, and then we can do something fun after. All right, we're going to generate this. I expect this to be about 2 minutes or so, but it'll be 2 seconds for you. See you in the future. Okay, looks like we've got our result. Right off the bat, I can tell this quality isn't quite as good as the WAN 2.2. Once again, we're just going live here, no cherry picking. So I'm sure if you tweaked it a little bit more, played with it, used higher quality reference images, you're going to get better results. But we're just having fun here, so let's play this one.
But even again, in my experience, even with
You know what? I think the animations and facial expressions are actually better in this one. You know what though? I did you guys dirty. We need to try a higher resolution picture. I need to know if my base image is the problem or if I need to do more tweaking on the workflow. Let's grab a higher quality picture. Okay, we got a higher quality picture now. Man, he is cheesing. But look at that resolution. Almost 4 times as much there. So we're going to do the same audio clip, same prompt. Let's see if we can get something a little better. Now this one's obviously shorter than one, but no big deal. All right, I'll see you in the future. All right, let's see. They gave him an earring, I can already tell. You can see the earring on the left ear there. All right, let's see it.
But even again, in my experience, even with a, even again, in my experience, even with a.
Okay, that's definitely better. Just having a higher resolution base image has improved the quality. I think the expressions are better. Obviously, the face looks a little bit more realistic this time. The movements are better. So yeah, a simple trick, I guess, is just use a high resolution base image. That's probably a no-brainer. I don't know why I didn't do it to start, but let's go back to WAN and see if it makes a difference for this one too, right? Okay. So we got the high-res image here, same one, same audio. Let's generate that, and I will see you in the future. All right, looks like our WAN 2.2 generation has finished.
But even again, in my experience, even with a, I was notoriously known for having a crazy work ethic. It took me about 7 years before I was comfortable walking into any gym as a professional.
Yeah. I don't know why his hand is so blurry. Maybe it needs some more steps. Yeah, I think the HuMo one looks better, actually. Yeah, that's a tough call. I'm not going to pretend like I've really sharpened these workflows or anything. If you have any tips for me, hit me up on Patreon, send me a message, and let me know what you're doing with these workflows. I'm curious. I'm going to play with them a little more and see if I can get better results. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little demo for you, and hopefully it was enjoyable, and hopefully you learned something, and hopefully I can learn from you. All right, have a good day, guys.